Hello, it's ObamasWeapon.com. Getting slaughtered with directed energy as usual. But I wanted to talk again some more. Now, they got a weapon that fucks up my speech, makes my body swollen. Screws everything I try to do up. I can't even plan what I want to do anymore. I'm all wasted, I'm all beat down. It's like Goku when he gets beat by Majin Buu. Same deal, man. It's unlimited beating. There's nothing more powerful than Majin Buu. So anyway, and it's just insane beatings. If you watch the movie, you watch the show, I mean, DBZ, it's like, man, just over and over. Weapon, unlimited power, just keeps coming back, can't be destroyed. Your Super Saiyan 3 is no good, your fucking fusion is no good. It doesn't even matter if the truth is the most pure power in the universe, in my opinion. The truth and the facts don't matter in America. The court system is so underpowered and based on bullshit and things and the police are able to hide their secret deeds. The secret army in America, by the way, it's there. You know, like the paranormal, right? There's parapsychology and then there's paramilitary. Paramilitary is the CIA and secret army. There, it's so powerful. They keep all the secret paranormal weapons. All the electromagnetic shit. All the highest tech shit. The brain invading shit. The brain structure reading stuff and decoding software and interpretation and the simulating hauntings in houses and directed energy stuff and all that. But it's there, it's so powerful and dark. It's so evil. And the reason none of these tools to investigate, you need tools on that level to investigate that type of crime. It's because it's classified. It's got to be kept secret. So no one can get in trouble for doing the stuff that they do, but they want to keep only in their minds. They want to keep the mind out of the courtroom so it can't be used like DNA. The mind's structured like the DNA. My cat, I want to use this as an example. My cat, by the way, would you believe it has signals intelligence? When I'm up there, I'm making chicken, it's using signals intelligence. That's what signals intelligence really is at the NSA. Boom. It's signals. It's magnetic energies and it's freaking sound. It's phonons and photons. And that cat is actually looking at atoms and listening to when his eyes are seeing things. His eyes are the radar machines in his ears too, in his nerves. Well, he's suddenly making decisions like NSA because he's been spying with his radar and shit. and his satellites, and this is, of course, confined to his eye sockets and his ears, and there's lots of reflections and heterodyning and stuff. He knows, he got surround sound, dude. Secretly, the NSA's got that too. And they see through walls, they read your rain from afar, all that, tap your computers. It ain't just the Edward Snowden shit. That's the low-tech side. There's a high-tech side to this too. And they got a whole world-scale weapon. It's built up around America. They can operate on a citizen in secret, doing like medical operations, hurting them, messing with their brain and body, and electronics and other stuff in the house. Want to know how far else it goes? It's world scale. They actually call it Strategic Defense Initiative. So let's take a look at what walking around Iraq is like. Guess what they can do? Iraq is a big country, right? But guess what? Without using a nuke, they can use their satellites that have the power of a nuke, projecting that energy down into Iraq. And they target it out. They map it all out first. The president can say, kill everything in Iraq but ladybugs. And we map the whole thing out really fast. Boom! They know where every fucking ladybug insect is. They kill the people, they kill the dogs, they kill the cats. They fucking leave the ladybugs. They kill the fucking potato bugs. They kill the ants. And it's directed energy. Boom! Just really fast. Targeting everything that needs to be destroyed. That's what our technology can do. That's something they're keeping secret. And then you can walk the surface of Iraq afterwards, and there's no radiation, there's nothing. It's all done with directed energy. It's not poisonous energy. It's not like a nuke with lots of radiation that remains afterwards. And what else can they do? They can say, let's clean up all the buildings in Iraq so we could build new buildings. Boom! They're dustifying all the buildings with directed energy. They just dustified. If you want to see that, go to drjudywood.com and you'll see a video of some stuff. You'll learn about it. They've got this weapon set up so that they could potentially just unseat any government, any power, even our own. They could wipe the world clean right now. They got that power. Leave just themselves and their people and start a new government, a new world without us. That's their power. And no judge is going to be able to make an order to stop that if, when they want to do it. So they could just go into a town like Iraq. Let's just go in Iraq, like Baghdad or something. Boom. The entire city turns to a pile of fucking dust. There's nothing to clean up. It's all dustified. They'll, I don't know how much rubble might be left, like some metal that doesn't, fully turn to dust or something. Toasted cars, or I don't even know for sure. But I think they could probably dustify the metal too. And I've seen what happens to metal. You got the John Hutchison effect. It turns it to jelly. But if they wanted to, they might be able to do something to it. Just their weapon, they only used it a certain way, so it didn't fully destroy everything. But they could do that. So boom, you got a clean slate of land, build up whatever you want there now. Clean up easy. Boom. That's what their weapon can do. And they can use it on any part of the planet they want. So it's all mobile, like all these satellites. Okay, and then they got some ground-based stuff interfacing with it, some radar systems. They're very powerful too. They'll blast an area with radiation. Bouncing radiation off the sky, usually. Just like an FM signal bounces up and down between the sky and the ground over objects. Same thing with their radar, except it's way more sophisticated and accurate and powerful. And it goes right where they want it to instead of an omnidirectional signal. It aims into a spot or location. And they could move it around and do like cyclones and crazy things. Alright, well now you know all the secrets. Strategic Defense Initiative. It's here in America today. It's up across the whole planet. They target citizens all over the globe, not just America with it. All the governments are protecting it. Everyone knows, the police officers know, public officials know. Leaving everyone alive. They want to leave, but not the people they don't want to leave. And they torture people. Take it out on certain select targets. They can target just one person if they want and kill them. They can give just one person cancer. And they can do it in a lot of ways. There's radiation from this system. There's also chemicals and substances. It's a dangerous world, man. I wouldn't trust any part of this country right now because nobody has security from it. You're not going to get it investigated. You're not going to get a way to figure it out. You're not